Hi, Philip from TW White & Sons. We have here a beautiful little Suzuki Swift 1 litre Boosterjet SZT finished in silver metallic. This is a two-owner car. It's done about 11,000 miles. We'll clarify the mileage once we sit in the car. Really nice car, this. Great spec with these also. It's in really great condition, unmarked alloy wheels. Colour-coded door mirrors, privacy glass. It's got split wiper. I apologise for that. This car's not been through the workshop yet. It will be going through the workshop. It will have a service, and it will have one of our 101-point used car checks where we check everything. We check brake pad wear, brake disc wear, condition of the wipers. Obviously that rear one needs replacing. All the vehicle's electrical systems, tyre tread depths, everything. So you, the customer, are safe in the knowledge that you're buying a car that is fully prepared and you won't have to touch it for at least 12 months when it will need its next annual service. 60/40 split rear seat system, load area covers all in place with all the strings and fixtures and fittings. As I say, the car has not been through the workshop as yet. It will come with 12 months Suzuki approved warranty encapsulating 12 months road fund licence. And at TW White & Sons we'll take any vehicle in part exchange against this Suzuki Swift. We will be as competitive as any of the online companies advertising on national television, all of whom wish to buy your car. We'd obviously like to sell you another car, and we'll offer you the best customer service in the industry. Really nice car, this. Electric front windows with electric door mirrors. It's got a black cloth interior, largely unmarked. Car hasn't even been valeted yet. It's what we term as a grade 1 car in superb order. Headlamp levelling adjustment, traction control, the first array of switches you come into when you sit inside the car. Key in the ignition, dip the clutch, straightforward start like so. We'll turn on the lights, give us a better view of the multi-function steering wheel. We have here on the left hand side an info button, stereo controls, mute button, integrated Bluetooth. Now this info button will change elements of the display, I'll show you in a second, but just very briefly, car's done 11,025 miles. Just turn off these fog lights. It needs a service. Tachometer rev counter on the left hand side, right hand side speedo. Fuel gauge, 11,025 miles, could not be simpler. Press the info button, changes elements of the display. 174 miles till we run out of fuel. It's instant fuel MPG reading. Obviously we're stationary at the moment. 56.8 as an average MPG. I'd say that was really good. The car will produce less or more than that. It just depends on how it's driven and under what climatic conditions. You got here wipers with variable speed on the intermittent, your rear wiper as well, all encapsulated on one stalk. On left hand side here you've got indicators, auto lights, front and rear fog lamps. So really nice. Very basic but very good air conditioning system. So you turn the fan to 1, the AC is now on, set your temperature, reset button, or taking air from the outside. Taking air from the outside is probably the better setting, unless of course you're stuck in traffic, you don't want to breathe in any of the fumes. You turn off the outside ventilation. Heated rear window, fan speeds where you want the air to go. Couldn't be simpler. Down there you will see quite clearly 12-volt power socketry USB plug-in. 5-speed gearbox, which is a delight to use in these Swifts. Very nippy little car, this. Tremendous fun to drive. And over here you've got the just turn that off. You've got the stereo controls. Now this is touchscreen, this system. You got DAB as well. You got 6 presets per waveband, DAB, FM, AM. And if we press this cog button here, if we press the cog button, you can then get into the sub menu, which is sound settings, he said. Yes, bass, treble, balance fader, equalizer presets, so you can set up what music you want to listen to, classical, rock, etc. And speed dependent volume control that will adjust the sound level to compensate for any road or engine noise. It's that simple. Home screen, media, you can plug in an SD card, Bluetooth, USB, aux, home screen, integrated Bluetooth. You can add a phone and Bluetooth it to this machine, and obviously you've got here a sub menu as well. Smartphone linkage, probably wondering where the satellite navigation is. Well, press that again. You've got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You plug your phone in using a USB lead, downloads Waze navigation, and you'll get it on screen. Waze navigation is extremely good, very popular, and an excellent satellite navigation system. Very simple to use. Will even advise you of potholes on the road. Plus, of course, you'll get your other icons on screen, such as Spotify. If you subscribe to Spotify, you've got a whole library of music, which again you can listen to on this stereo. Home screen again, reverse, rear camera. So really good spec with this very low mileage Suzuki Swift SZT. You're getting, just to summarise, air conditioning, USB plug-in, complete smartphone linkage, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, DAB stereo, integrated Bluetooth. You're also getting auto lights, variable speed on the intermittent wipers, fuel computer, and this car's done 11,000 miles. 12 months Suzuki warranty, encapsulating 12 months roadside assistance. The car will be prepared to the highest standards. Reason why we're showing it as we are today is because we thought we'd get it online for the weekend. Used cars are very hard to come by. This particular vehicle is in excellent condition. There it is. If you want to find out more about this 2017 on a 17 plate Suzuki Swift 1 litre Boosterjet SZT, please go onto our website, which is www.twhiteandsons.co.uk. Thanks for watching.